Well, hey, tubers. It seems like it's been a while. I actually just got this Camry back from my son. And of course, what the hell's going on? It's got a check engine light. And the code is actually P0171. Running too lean. So, how do we tackle this? Well, I'm just going to kind of one step it at a time because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I think the first thing I'll do is I'll just give this boot a feel up and make sure that nothing appears broken or torn in such a way that it's going to introduce new air. Now, that seems good. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to try, and let's see if we can't get the mass airflow sensor off here. That's this little sucker right here. Let's see. How's this tab work? Up, down. Probably goes down. There we go. It's a down press and it pops out. So that's an easy step. Make sure you use the right size screwdriver for this, otherwise you'll be crying that you can't. You know what I did not bring over? Is my little magnetic tray for parts. I gotta start remembering to use that more. Ugh. These screw heads are full of a little bit of dirt. But they came out. And this is our mass airflow sensor. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm not sure if it's even supposed to be there. But there's this big giant wad of dirt right there at the bottom of the sensor wire. So I've got mass airflow sensor cleaner, and I'm going to give it a spray. Now, as far as I know, there's no brush or well, looks a little cleaner. Okay, let it dry off and then I'll stuff it back in the car. Most times with a code like this, from what I can see on the internet, you are dealing with either a mass airflow sensor or an oxygen sensor. Like I said, everything here appears to be copacetic. Something else though I've decided I'm going to take a look at before I get too deep. I'm going to pop off the air filter. I don't know if I've ever even done it before, but it looks like I'll show you this in a second. Okay. But somebody has actually used a C-clamp to hold the air filter on, or air filter cover on. Okay, so the mass airflow sensor has been cleaned and reinstalled. Okay, take a peek at this here. Can you see it? that is a C-clamp closing up the air filter box. And whoever did it actually bent the little thing so it'll unscrew. Okay. And a bolt. Let me check the air filter. I can't remember the last time I even looked at the air filter on this thing. Okay. I'm back with a working ratchet. Okay, the filter actually on this thing looks really dirty. I just saw dust falling out of it. I can't remember the last time it's changed, so it needs a new air filter. But it closes the cover nicely. Okay. It's sealed down. I'm going to try starting it and just reset the check engine light. Okay, we are now reading. Reading. Do. And one code. Usually it's a small evap leak. But again, there it is. Tooling. Okay, so now let's erase it. Let's read. Erase. And erasing the trouble code. I find these much nicer than using the disconnected battery. All right, let's see what happens now. Ooh, it's gone. Wouldn't that be great if it was just a dirty mass airflow sensor? I saw some guy's video where it was the fuel pump that wasn't happy. And as you can see, the idle's coming down a little bit, and it'll drop down more as this thing warms up. Well, all right, I might have fixed it with just the cleaning. Ooh, I am the mechanic. I'm the man. I'm the man. And hey, the reason I haven't posted a video lately is because I was locked out of my YouTube account. Yeah, me. I had to prove it was me so I could get back in. I keep forgetting the passwords. All right, listen, have a good one. This actually seems to be working for a reasonable fix. Dirty mass airflow sensor, but if it comes back again, I'll take it to the next step.